So here I am in my workshop, stripping down the bike, just taking the oil tank out. One of the exhausts off. I'm hoping that if I take the swinging arm bolt out, that looks like the only engine mountings that it's got. It's there, up the top here, and then down in there. It's a big engine. But it's really grubby and I want to change the colour. Get the frame sprayed or powder coated. There's the tanks. This is all the original paint from when it was first built, I believe. 98-ish. That's the oil tank. And the little tub there. I've got parts that I've already cleaned up and polished up to go back in. Rests and stuff. Trying to clean it up as I go so that I ain't got to do it all before I got to put it back together again. Plus it buys me some time to sort of think and try and remember how it all goes back together. Loving having my new workshop. Movies on while I'm working. Toys around me. Get this done through the winter. And then get back to me Plymouth. That's it. Ta-da.